Hello, welcome to Back to Coding. For better understanding of this video, I highly recommend you to check out the previous video or the complete playlist in the description below. Today we'll be talking about how to use SQL functions in queries. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a bell icon so that whenever I publish a video, you get notified instantly about it. If you are familiar with SQL functions, you can use SQL functions in queries as well. They allow you to retrieve things like the number of rows in a table, the average value of a column, or the highest value. Here are some of the most useful SQL functions you can use in your queries. Average function returns the average value. Count function returns the number of rows. Sum function returns the sum. Max function returns the largest value. Min returns the smallest value. As an example, if you wanted to count how many drinks there are in the drink table, you could use the SQL count function to count the number of values in the _id column. This returns the number of drinks in a column labeled count. The query returns the number of rows in the drink table. If the drink table contained an extra price column that gave the price of each drink, you could find out the average drink price using the SQL average function to find the average value of the price column. Our drink table doesn't contain a price column, but if it did, we could use it to get the average drink price. Don't forget to check my other videos which can be helpful to you.